Scene 1 Kitchen, morning light pours in. Narrator, dramatic voice in a world where breakfast decides your destiny. One girl dares to face the flour, the fire, and the frying pan. Cut to Riya standing at the kitchen counter. Riya, determined. Let's do this. Today, I make my first paratha. Step 1. Making the dough. Camera zooms in on a mixing bowl. Riya, speaking while working. First, we add 2 cups of whole wheat flour to a large bowl. Then, a pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon of oil for softness. She slowly pours in water while mixing. Riya, now, gradually add about 3/4 cup of water, little by little, and mix. Intense music as Riya kneads the dough with determination. Daadi, off-screen, wise voice. The dough must be soft like a cloud, but firm like your resolve. Text on screen, knead for 8 to 10 minutes until smooth and pliable. Narrator, with each knead, her spirit grew stronger. Step 2. Rest the dough. Riya covers the dough with a damp cloth. For Riya, let it rest for 20 minutes, just like warriors before battle. Step 3. Shaping the paratha. Montage begins. Calm background music. Riya, now, divide the dough into small balls. Roll one out into a flat circle. Add a bit of ghee or oil, then fold it like a fan, then coil it. Classic layered paratha style. Narrator, the ancient fold, passed down for generations. Riya rolls it into a circle again. Text on screen, roll evenly to about 6 to 7 inches diameter. Step 4. Cooking the paratha. Camera zooms in on the hot tawa griddle. Riya, preheat the pan, and place the paratha gently. Sizzling sound as it hits the tawa. Riya, flip when you see bubbles, then apply ghee or butter. Flipping with flair. Paratha puffs slightly. Narrator, crisp on the outside, soft within. This is the paratha of legends. Step 5. Serving. Ravi, her little brother, appears, eyes shining. Ravi, did you just summon heaven onto a plate? Riya smiles and serves the hot paratha with curd and pickle. Daadi, from behind, you've done well, child. Today, you are a paratha master. Closing narration, narrator, and so, with fire, flour, and fierce focus, Riya's journey began, one paratha at a time.